How to summarize text in Notepad. This tutorial shows you how to use built-in AI to shorten long text into a quick overview. First, open the Notepad app on your computer. After that, type or paste the text you want summarized. Let me show you. From there, highlight the text you want to summarize. At this point, right-click on the highlighted text. In the next step, click on Writing Tools from the menu that appears. Following this, click on Summarize from the list of options. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted, since this feature requires an account to work. From here, wait a moment while Notepad generates a shortened summary of your text. At this stage, review the summary that appears in a small pop-up window. Keep in mind, this feature only runs fully offline on Copilot Plus PCs. Other computers may need an active Microsoft 365 subscription to use it. Finally, click on Insert if you want to replace your original text with the new summary. And that's it. If this guide helped you summarize text in Notepad, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.